Hello, my name is Natalie Eddy. I am from Grandview, Texas, which is a small town about 45 minutes north of Waco. If you blink, you're going to miss it. Just a little speck on the map. I'm an elementary education major, EC 36. I'm really interested in upper elementary, 3rd through 5th, and I got the opportunity to observe in a middle school classroom, and I really enjoyed it, surprisingly. My ultimate goal is after earning my bachelor's degree, I plan to teach in the States for a few years, and then I feel called to ultimately go across seas and not only teach, but to do mission work as well. After doing that, I hope to return home and earn my master's degree and possibly become a principal one day. A little bit about my family. I am the youngest of 8. I have 3 older brothers and 4 older sisters, and I have 12 nieces and nephews that call me Aunt Nat. They're my pride and joy. I love them. Some of my hobbies include listening to country music. I love, oh, that's my gardening. I can't garden here, but I brought some of my plants. Um, and I love watching football. Um, I'm really excited for this course and I'm super excited to get to know everybody and I wish you all a great semester.